This 2020 Highland Ridge Open Range 310BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 37 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, refrigerator, oven, slide-out, TV, skylight, auxiliary battery, DVD player, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Highland Ridge Open Range 310BHS is 9,160 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.